My name is Salvador Sena. I'm the acting desktop support manager at the Santa Fe Community College, and I make sure that all the computer systems get implemented and deployed throughout the university. The purpose of my role is to implement new technologies and desktops, including computers and other types of digital technologies for the classroom. For example, what that means is whenever a new employee comes into the college, they need a computer system. So my crew makes sure that the computer system is deployed to them and it's secure and that they have all the equipment they need to either teach their class or to initiate their role at the community college. And also I help individuals with their desktops in the software as well. What provoked my interest was actually having to work in the IT industry at a very young age. What that is I volunteered at a school. They paid us a small stipend at my middle school, and what we did is we replaced the old cabling, and at the time we used a Cat5 cable. So we basically redid the network, and after I did that, I saw that I had an aptitude for IT. And I went to college shortly after that. I got one degree. And I call it the scenic route through college. I got one degree and I went and worked actually in a tech shop. That was a very good experience in IT. Having to see the corporate side of things gave me a different perspective. I also have a couple of certifications. I started an A+ certification at a very young age, and here I am today. The technical skills that I have to possess that are vital to my daily work are, basically using the computer. Spreadsheets are huge. All of my employees definitely need to know how to use Excel and all the Word applications and productivity applications. I also have to know how to take apart a computer, put it back together, replace components. I also have to be able to think on my feet. As far as the different technologies, it's always an adapting field. Being a manager in IT requires interpersonal skills. Communication is the biggest thing. Clear communication, not only being able to write effectively, but communicate effectively. And also customer service is huge. I am the front-facing person of our department, being the desktop support manager. And so that being said, I have to orient myself around these individuals and be able to help them to adequately communicate effectively as well. What I enjoy most about my career actually is being able to interact with different people. That's why I chose working at a community college. I worked for the state before, and that was a great experience in and of itself, but really working in the IT department at a college affords me to be able to interact with more individuals than I would in the standard IT career. If you want to go into a career in IT, my suggestion is just get it going. Start reading books. You don't have to go to class per se. Now these days you can enter the IT field with a certification. So if that's your main method of learning, now they have online courses. I take online courses all the time, so just start getting your certificates and just go for it. Never stop learning, learn every day and do the best you can. Yeah, so certifications are extremely important in the IT field nowadays. I also recommend, of course, the traditional degree program, which is invaluable as well. Here in New Mexico, we're lucky that we have many schools, such as the Santa Fe Community College, where one can get a degree in IT. So number one, if you want to do your traditional school, go for it. Community college is great. You can get it done in 2 years, but also most of these colleges have certifications. So I definitely urge you to get on your local community college website. There's also corporate programs like Know Before, and those are also training programs that are online.